Hello, everybody. In continuation to what we had discussed in the last episode, the topic of discussion today is the groups, functional groups attached to benzene or phenol and higher in priority compared to OH. So let us start with the discussion. Let us take the first compound where the OH group of phenol is attached to CH. So we all know that aldehyde have more priority compared to OH. So if you see the common name of this compound, the common name is important. It is called salicylaldehyde. Okay, the common name of this compound is Sally, CYL aldehyde. So this is the common name of this compound. Now the IUPAC name, it starts with the group which has more priority compared to the OH. So this and this. So this compound is also called 2-hydroxybenzaldehyde, which is the IUPAC name of this compound. This is 2-hydroxybenzaldehyde, which is the priority pair. So this CHO has higher priority. As I discussed, whenever the functional group I'll be attaching, that will have higher priority compared to OH. So this can also be called as ortho-hydroxybenzaldehyde. You could also use this common name. Okay. So we will go to the next compound, the second compound. Now, let me place a ketone. After an aldehyde, let me put a ketone. So you have the OH and you have COCH3. So if you see, the common name of this compound is acetophenone. All right, the common name of this compound is acetophenone. So the hydroxy is there, ortho compared to COCH3. So this is called ortho, a small O can be written that, ortho-hydroxy acetophenone. And the IUPAC name. See, we are yet to discuss about the common and IUPAC names of aldehydes, ketones. So before that, only I had to take up this discussion because of the priority, of the groups. So this IUPAC name of this compound, you can call it, see, this is an ethanone. So you could call it phenyl ethanone, where on the phenyl, the second carbon has the hydroxy group. You can call this compound 2-hydroxyphenyl ethanol. Okay, keep this in brackets just to indicate that the hydroxy is attached to the phenyl. So this is 2-hydroxyphenyl ethanol. So going on to the third compound. Let me put an SO3H group, which is higher in priority compared to OH. So this is a sulfonic acid. So this is a sulfonic acid. So this is ortho, this is meta. So in the common names, what is discussed is in terms of ortho, meta, and para. So this is having the common name meta hydroxy, benzene sulfonic acid. Big names. And the IUPAC name of this compound, I think now you are familiar with the numbering. So this is 1, 2, and 3. So this is, yes, if you have guessed it, very good. So it is 3-hydroxy benzene sulfonic acid. So we are done with the third compound. Let us take a fourth compound, oxalic acid, which has more priority. I'm taking compounds at random, okay? I'm not maintaining the priority chart, that list of functional groups. So I'm taking compounds at random, and you should be able to still recollect, which group is higher in priority. Now this discussion gets simple because I already told you that OH will have lower priority compared to the other functional groups. So this is a carboxylic acid, and the common name is salicylic acid. This is a precursor for preparing aspirin, right? This is a precursor for preparing aspirin. So the IUPAC name of this compound is once again, 2-hydroxy benzoic acid. 2-hydroxy benzoic acid. Going on to the next compound, let me go to this, an ester. ORCOOR, that is how an ester is written. And let me put the hydroxy here. This is, the oil of wintergreen, which is usually present in, compounds like iodex and the rest which are used for inflammations. So this is having the common name, which is called methyl salicylate. Why this is called methyl salicylate? Because, it is a methyl derivative of salicylic acid. That is why it's called methyl salicylate. So the IUPAC name of this compound, once again, this is 1, this is 2. Why, I'm basing my discussion on this because, common names are available and hence the discussion becomes very easy. So this is an ester. So if you segregate this group, this will be called group attached to oxygen is named first in the case of ester nomenclature. So this is methyl benzoate. Right? This is methyl benzoate. But since there is a hydroxy group present at the second position, we have to call it methyl benzoate, which is the IUPAC name of this compound. Yes, you would ask me, are there some more compounds with higher priority? And do we name it? Yes. This. Compared to OH, this group has higher priority. So this is called benzoyl chloride. Yeah, this is not a chloroketone. Mind it, the CO and Cl attached to the same carbon does not give it a priority to call it a chloroketone. This is a derivative of benzoic acid where the OH group is replaced with Cl. So this is called benzoyl chloride. So if you attach a OH group, so the common name will be orthohydroxybenzoyl chloride. This is the common name. And in IUPAC name, you just replace the ortho with a number. So this is 2-hydroxybenzoyl chloride. Even in higher in priority, there are a few groups and we can definitely take it up in the discussion. So the next group is this, CONH2. This is called an amide. So since it is attached to benzene, it is called a benzamide. Benzamide. The OH group, I attached it to the ortho position. So this is orthohydroxy benzamide. And once again, the IUPAC name of this compound is 2-hydroxy benzamide. We can continue the discussion endless with, though we have covered up most of the groups which are higher in priority compared to OH, this discussion can be endless. This, we come to an end of this episode. Do you want a task for this? Yes. Yeah, let me not forget to give you a task for this multifunctional groups. We give you one task. So the task is, just let me keep it simple for today. Since I've covered up halogen also, I would like to give this as a task. Okay, so hoping to meet you soon and continue this discussion further. In the next episode, we will be handling a mixed bag of questions where we would deal with all kinds of, compounds, varieties of compounds containing cyclics of alcohol, aliphatics of alcohol, aliphatic compounds of alcohol containing an OH group, aliphatic compounds containing OH group, cyclic containing OH group, and phenyl containing OH group. A mixed bag of questions where I would keep the strategy the same, that I would be teaching you one and giving you one as a task. Okay, so with this, we come to an end. Do not forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.